Fifth standard Social Science Karnataka syllabus. History Unit 1. Advent of Europeans to India. Who gave Bombay as an annual rent of £10 a year to East India Company? Answer: Charles II, the Prince of England, gave Bombay as an annual rent of £10 a year to East India Company. Name the presidencies of the British. Answer: Bombay, Madras and Kolkata. When was French East India Company started? French East India Company was started in 1664. Which is the first factory of the French? Answer: Surat. Name the factories of French. Answer: Machilipatnam, Chandranagara, Mahe, Karaikallu, Qasim Bazar, Balasur. Who was Duplessis? Duplessis was the French Governor General. Why did the Portuguese and Dutch withdraw from India by 18th century? Answer: the Portuguese and Dutch withdrew from India because they were unable to withstand the competition from French and English by 18th century. By which treaty the First Carnatic War came to an end? Answer: the First Carnatic War came to an end by the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. By which treaty the Second Carnatic War came to an end? Answer: the Second Carnatic War came to an end. Treaty of Pondicherry. By which treaty the Third Carnatic War came to an end? The Third Carnatic War came to an end. Treaty of Paris. When was Battle of Plassey fought? The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Between whom the Battle of Plassey took place? Answer: the Plassey battle took place between the young Nawab Sirajud Dowlah and the British. When was the Battle of Buxar fought? The Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. Who brought in dual government concept? Answer: Robert Clive brought in dual government concept. Make a list of Europeans who arrived at India to do business. Answer: Portuguese, Dutch, English and French.